In a hush, when the world holds its breath, and the stars seems to whisper of death, in that stillness, like crystal and true, I can feel that my soul reaches you. No words pass between us, no sound, yet your presence is quietly found. Like a breeze through the branches at night, you appear in the absence of light. Though the silence may deepen the ache, it's the space that our spirits both take. In the dark, where all noises subside, there I meet you, no longer